All right, guys, welcome back. As to is back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything's good with you. This is the 2018 Subaru Impreza, fifth generation. Fifth generation would be from 2017 to 2019. But if you wanna reach some more, it would be from 2017 to 2023. All right, Subaru Impreza. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay, there's two ways you can do it: while the car is running, or when the car is shut it down. All right, and pick one. Okay, how you wanna do it? The car running. Well, let's put it this way. Let's say your car just died. It doesn't even start, even if you boost it. So in that case, you would do it like just like that, right? Without the car running, right? But let's say you don't want to mess around with the batteries, with the clock, with the radio and all that. So what we're gonna do is, let me bring this down, okay, so you can see me. All right. What we can do is start the car and do it while it runs, while it's running. I'm gonna start the car now. Car is running right now, okay? So we're gonna do it while it's running, okay? Now open the hood. If you're wondering how you open the hood, the lever is right below the steering wheel, okay? Now we're gonna need a 10mm deep socket, a clip removal tool. I'm about to show it to you right now. Let me get the gloves on. All right. One checking. Okay. All right. Car is running right now. Like I said, we're gonna need a 10mm deep socket. And the battery, I'm gonna use Interstate. This is a MT35 K3. This is a little bit expensive, all right? It's between 150 and 225. Okay, this is a good battery. Okay, I'm not sponsoring. This is not my sponsor. Okay, just so you know, I'm just letting you know the facts. All right. This is the clip removal. I'm gonna use it for this though. Okay. 10mm deep socket. But before I do the terminals, I'm gonna do the bracket. Okay. 10mm. Then I go to the next bracket, which is right here. Okay. Now, this is positive and negative. It would be good if you get yourself a clamp. Okay, I'm gonna use this in a minute. I'm gonna loose it. This one. this guy. Pry with this. Put it on the side. Now you have a few seconds to remove the battery and install the new one. Just like that. Okay. This battery comes with a cover. This guy right here. I'm gonna reuse it. Everything Gucci, all right? So right here, just gonna put the power and the ground back. I'm gonna tap it. Tie the terminals. That's pretty much it for now. Okay. You just cross the threshold time limit before the car dies. Because if it dies, it would defeat the purpose. You know what I'm saying? Because you're trying to do it. You do it so the battery in the car doesn't die, right? The clock, the radio stations, and all of that. Now you tied it, everything Gucci, 10 millimeter. Ratcheting wrench. Make sure it is good. Put it's Gucci. Now we put the clamp. Tied it. That's it. That's pretty much. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's a MT 35cc A550 CA 690 RC 100 interstate battery. And this is how you replace a battery. Alright. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Pat yourself in the shoulder. Because you're done here, alright? Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Shout outs to the subscribers, shout outs to the supporters. Love you all. Pause. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu O'Clock now. Happy holiday season. And save me the leftovers, alright? I'm coming for it. See you in the next one. Stu, boom. I'm out. Bye bye.